Greetings! You are about to enter Story to Art Gallery, a real working art gallery. I say that because here's the twist. Story to Art Gallery is a dollhouse-sized miniature art gallery featuring original miniature ACEO-sized artwork. So stick around, your private tour is about to begin. So come on in, grab a refreshment at the bar, and sign our guest book if you wish. And then I'll tell you the story behind this week's art before we take a closer look at each piece. Kintsugi, Healing the Broken. Centuries ago in Japan, a bowl was broken, then mended with gold, not to hide the crack, but to honor it. So what began as a repair eventually became a philosophy. The paintings in this room borrow that language of repair, but not all of them are of bowls. The artists here use the Kintsugi practice as a lens, applying it to other forms that have been damaged, and ask what it truly means to heal them. Now that you know the theme behind the art, let's take a close-up look at the work. Today's show features two artists, myself, Susanna, and my artist friend, Catherine. And each piece in the show tells a story. From environmental stories to ancient stories, to a phoenix rising from the ashes, each miniature artwork holds something larger than its size. But the titles here are your only clue. The interpretation belongs to you. And for those who would like to bring a piece of this collection home, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. So come back and see us again, and subscribe if you like so you don't miss a show.